6:13 this morning. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas day, and for some it might be back to work today. For others, maybe taking a few of those Christmas gifts that didn't work out quite as planned back to the stores. And what I can tell you is you're not going to see a lot of sun today, but the chance of seeing rain very small. It's not going to be a very pretty day, and it's going to look like rain much of the day. You can already see the low-level clouds that have already built in across much of South Texas, and then some upper-level clouds farther to the north and west. But notice the lack of precipitation. I can't rule out a few sprinkles late this morning, but there is not going to be much. Meanwhile, you go out west to California, there's a lot more rain. In fact, there's some heavy rain coming down right along the California coast. Not so nice out there. Notice the snow showers and higher elevations. I talk about this because this is our next cold front. Right now it's just a low pressure system, but we are going to see a cold front develop with this low pressure system, and it will get here Saturday night. But because it's coming from the Pacific, not from Canada, not from the Arctic, we're not looking at a huge cool down, but it will be cooler Sunday compared to Saturday. Now here's the very small rain chance that I mentioned. See these tiny little green dots showing up beginning around 9 a.m. I can't rule out some very light sprinkles in a few spots, but notice how many spots are dry at 9 a.m. But also notice how many spots are not seeing much sun today. Again, you can see, as the model indicates, 3 o'clock this afternoon, a few peaks of sun, but certainly the more clouds today than sunshine. Certainly a mostly cloudy to overcast day. Notice in the afternoon, though, those little tiny green dots not showing up. I only think it's late this morning where we might see a few of those sprinkles. And then maybe late tonight as well. I'm going to mention it. See that little green dot in Starr County? It could end up being just about anywhere. A chance we're seeing a couple sprinkles once again. But notice that's 4 a.m. By 8 a.m., the chance for seeing sprinkles goes away. So I think it's going to be a dry morning commute for those who are going to work tomorrow. And what I want to point out tomorrow is that we aren't seeing the sprinkles around in the morning, and in general, more sunshine. Now, it's not going to be bright blue skies, but I think there will be more sun tomorrow than today. And so I do think the 80s coming back in many locations for tomorrow. Today, mainly in the upper 70s. From McAllen on west, I do think we'll be in the low 80s, but most of us will be upper 70s today, averaging around 78 in the valley. Again, late this morning, the chance of seeing a few showers. Most will stay dry, though, with mostly cloudy, just at times overcast skies. A little bit of a breeze, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Not a super breezy day. Winds just 5 miles per hour tonight. Still mostly cloudy to overcast skies, and that's going to keep our temperatures up. Just a low of 62. Another mild night. And again, a possibility for a few showers late tonight, but not much. Now, unfortunately, guess when the best rain chance is? You guessed it. We're talking about New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. Now, we're not talking about a washout at this point, but I will say there's still uncertainty. There's some models that have a lot of rain, I'll be honest with you, New Year's Eve night and New Year's Day, but then there are models that barely have any rain. It's all going to depend on this low pressure system and exactly where it tracks and how strong it is. We are very confident that it's going to be cloudy New Year's Eve night and New Year's Day, and a bit on the cool side, kind of a chilly New Year's Eve night with mid-50s, and then just maybe in the upper 60s New Year's Day. This is still early, though, and we'll keep you posted the very latest on this forecast. Gabby?